Hello and welcome to Round 1 Group 6 of our Hatchbacks tournament. This is the final group of Round 1 and contains not only the final 2 drivers from the original tournament, but 4 newcomers, all racing for Irons Diecast Racing. The new cars were sourced from a very large bucket. Graphite was applied and the drivers were assigned. First on the pole we have Rebel from Steiner Customs in the red Audacious, but the one to watch is Izzie in that blue Ford Focus. She is going to take race 1 with ease. T. Hogan is going to come in second in that entirely too dark for black track gray Subaru, and Seabass takes third in the black Honda CRX. Rebel only manages 2 points from the pole position, while Sunshine, who started in the rearmost position, manages to get 3. Rowan from Audacious Racing has the pole, but Izzie and Seabass beat him to turn 4. Seabass passes Izzie on the inside and must not have mirrors as he spins around to watch the rest of the field complete the race. Rowan manages to finish third from his pole position, while Seabass actually started in that rearmost position, but manages to pick up 6 points. Izzie and Seabass are currently sitting first and second overall with 11 and 10. Next up is T. Hogan on the pole. T. Hogan has a large lead going into 4, and Rowan drifts the inside lane under Sunshine. Rowan blocks Sunshine going to the second to last turn, and then hits the gas to leave Sunshine in that yellow Subaru behind. T. Hogan will move into second place overall with that first place finish from the pole. Izzie I still holds the overall lead with 14 after picking up 3 points out of the rearmost position. Then the battle for third is between Seabass and Rowan. Next on the pole will be Sunshine in the yellow STi. Sunshine does her best, but T. Hogan and Izzie are right there with her. T. Hogan has the better positioning coming out of turn 4, but he loses control and flips it. Sunshine and Seabass are right there with him. He will finish and still pick up the second place points. That will move him into first place overall. Izzie falls to second with Seabass and Sunshine right behind her. Next up will be Seabass on the pole in the black Honda CRX. Rowan will be starting from the rear. Seabass has the lead out of 4 with Sunshine, T. Hogan, Izzie all right there. Sunshine on the inside gets loose. T. Hogan looks to the inside, and he will pass Seabass. Seabass, Sunshine, and Izzie are second, third, and fourth. Rowan and Rebel will bring in the rear. Going into the final race, we have T. Hogan with a 4-point lead. Seabass and Izzie are tied for second with 20, Sunshine in fourth with 18, but could play spoiler to the two of them. Izzie has the pole. And she is gone. Seabass reaches inside to block Sunshine but gets sent back out. Sunshine moves into second but gets bumped from behind. Sunshine is sideways through 5 and Seabass finishes the pass. Izzie will take first from the pole for 6 points, but it is T. Hogan finishing first overall with 27 points. Izzie finishes second with 26 and Seabass in third with 25. T. Hogan and Izzie will move on to the next round. Thank you for watching.